$2 cheeseburgers. The sauce in there doing a tango on that mud, just dancing all on this motherfucker.
And tangoing it was. And here we are with yet another installment of Deazy Eats. This time I pulled up on For the Win in Glendale, California. This great smash burger establishment. They've got plenty all across the greater Los Angeles. This was National Cheeseburger Day. They were selling $2 cheeseburgers. You can't beat that for a good quality smash burger. $2 cheeseburgers? Yeah, you had me. So as you see, I paid $9.60 for a single cheeseburger, added lettuce, got some french fries and some burger sauce on the side.
Yeah, that's the best national cheeseburger deal I done seen around. A lot of people was doing deals, but $2 for some good quality cheeseburger?
Oh yeah, let's get into it.
For the Win. I'm sure you've heard of this. A lot of people have been reviewing them. They've been viral for a minute now. Good smash burger. National Cheeseburger Day. They were selling $2 cheeseburgers. $2 cheeseburgers. And since I had it already, I was like, that's a good quality cheeseburger for just $2. Gotta pull up and see what's up with it. Yet again. And give the people what they want. Content. I got some fry sauce on the side as well, which is delicious. It's on their burger. But $1.50 for some fry sauce is crazy. $1.50 for any sauce is crazy. Y'all wildin' with that. But it is delicious. I ain't gonna hold you. Well, they told me what it was, and I was like, okay, I can make that at the crib. $1.50 for that. It's on the burger already. Give me some ranch. But neither here nor there. I got the $2 smash burger, as you can see here. Added some lettuce for 50 cents extra. Got some fries on the side. Fries is about $5. For the Win is pretty pricey. Pretty pricey. Smash burger looks amazing. Look at that. Oh my gosh, hold up. That shit. It's smashed for sure. They was smashing this burger. My first review of this burger was delicious. I ain't gonna hold you. It's a good quality burger. I think I got jalapenos on it last time. And lettuce. I like lettuce on my burgers, don't judge me. Yeah, let's get into this, man. I'm talking too much. Alright. Consistency. That's a good burger. Well seasoned patty. Fry sauce brings everything together. Cheese brings everything together. The way they marry each other, the meat, the cheese, and the sauce. And the bun is nice, soft, and toasted. The fries are cold, but they're good fries because they're cold and they're still holding up. Still got a little crunch. But again, it is National Cheeseburger Day, so I know they've been in there cranking cheeseburgers out like crazy today. Especially with that deal. Go ahead and get another bite of this. They really crusted this, man. Like smashed this burger to oblivion, my boy. That crust on there, it's really like, look at that. I like it. That's a good cheeseburger, man. That is a good smash burger. I ain't even gonna hold you. I'm sitting right in front of it In-N-Out too right now. In-N-Out could never. In-N-Out is nostalgic, but For the Win, giving them a run for their money. Maybe even not, because they just in a different league, but everybody, it's enough for everybody to eat. No pun intended. Because In-N-Out line's still crazy. Line wrapped around the motherfucking block. Any location you go to. But yeah, this bun is amazing. Soft, buttery. Burger smash, cheese melted. Sauce in there doing what it do. Is the sauce in there doing a tango on that mud, just dancing all on this motherfucker. There's pickles in there. A little lettuce. I think it's some grilled. They grilled the onions and put the burger on the onions and the beer and the grilled onions and finished cooking the burger meat and on top of the onions and let it grill. I thought I felt the onion pull out earlier when I opened this up. Yep. Oh, that's how you do it. They grilled that patty on top of some grilled onions and woo! Oh, yeah. And the combination of the sauce, the cheese is there, man. The cheese is cheesy. I'm gonna get this 8 out of 10. Second time going, and I'm still like, yeah. Consistency, that's a thing. It's good. Not that it's good, but I mean it's good. But just the fact that it's like, yeah, it hit the same again. And it being on a busy day, we're just cranking these out. I know they end up going crazy. I know business has been booming for them. So shouts out to Further Win and wishing y'all more success. If y'all haven't, pull up, try this burger. I got a double back because I got a fried chicken sandwich, so I will be back to see what that's hitting for. Cause your boy love a good chicken sandwich as well. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. If you haven't already, get into it. See what's up. They got the milkshakes, all that in there, man. I just don't think they got onion rings, which is cool. But, you know, I can care less about onion rings. But they fry their burger in grilled onions. That's all I'm gonna say. Leave it at that. I've been Deazy. This burger has been cheesy. Love y'all. Love.